go to our front view, and let's just mirror this to the other side. So let's hit mirror. Let's make sure that copy is selected. We're going to mirror in the X direction, and we're just going to simply move that over. Alright, so now we've got our knee pads, and you could do a little bit more reshaping on that if you like. You could even create different knee pads if you want. And now we are ready to go ahead and create some more detail on the boots themselves. You'll notice that we have some spikes on those boots, and we'll go ahead and we'll create those in our next lesson just to finish up the boots, and then we'll move on to creating the hip guards, and we'll be pretty close to being finished with the armor on this character. So I'll see you in the next lesson. In this lesson, we're going to finish up the boot details, and then we're going to take a look at the hip guards of our low polygon game character. Okay, so we created the knee pads for the boots themselves, and in the last lesson we decided that we didn't really need to create all of this geometry for the wrinkles and the straps of the boot themselves. We could actually get away with texturing that. Now, one thing that we can't necessarily get away with are the spikes coming off of the boots on the front and even across the top. Now, to do this, we're going to use the same method that we used for creating the spikes on the knee guards as well as the shoulder pads themselves. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into that. Let's select our body here. I'm going to hit Alt and X, and I'm just going to choose the placement of these spikes here. So I'm going to select these three vertices right here,